Next time you plan your trip to Napa, take your experience beyond the wine tasting, the dining, the spas, and magnificent downtown. Don't just eat, create. Get hands-on and get your hands dirty by choosing one of the many cooking classes being offered in downtown. Whether it be early afternoon or evening, the right menu and right venue await, all within walking distance of downtown Napa hotels. Handpick the vegetables, prepare the food with seasonal recipes, and prepare to enjoy by choosing the right class for you. Bring a group to make the activity private, or join a group and meet new friends. A new and exciting experience exists around every single corner of Napa downtown. Learn from the chefs who have mastered the art and science behind one of Napa's most enjoyed activities, culinary. From the preparation to the enjoyment, learn from one of the many chefs that are sculpting the culinary scene of Napa Valley. So next time you visit, discover the cooking classes that will awaken your senses and show you a new side of Napa. Take the enjoyment of your trip to a whole new level. Do something adventurous. Do something spontaneous. Do Napa in a whole new way with culinary classes.